Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how rich feelings this, right? And you know me listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Check.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Check.
Ragashanti live.
Brap.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
We're there. We is our day here. We is our day here. All right, Lego. You see it. I want to say blessings and respect all massive and crew. Big up on yourself another night. Just seen by the bridge 99 FM. Yours truly, Ragashanti at your service. With the good up lifestyle mix-up entertainment talk show. You know, a little bit of a reprieve from whatever stressors you may be experiencing in some form or the other. Good night, people. On Monday, we did not have a show because this show was preempted with an outside broadcast, as many of you would have realized, if you turned up to have the show, okay? So if that represented an inconvenience to any of you, please be as understanding as possible as you can, all right? Right, so again, management had an outside broadcast, that preempted the show. This is not unusual in media. This is This is fairly common, such is the case. Big up on yourself, people. Friday gone in Georgia. Up here in America, them have the 50 states. Well, mainland states and thing, which includes, the United States, 50 states, of which one of them is Georgia. And boy, when you hear me dip on this thing here from what they say, the man them for those balance out on the thing, my lad, and thing and just kind of cut off for that something the way. Now go through certain things and whatever, and if woman say them done. Worse, if the woman them have a right for done. And thing like in the sense where the man them do something wrong and all them thing there with them. So people don't know, say one brother in the military, you see me? Right? I mean, I'm military, I'm a 35-year-old and his wife, Terika. His wife, Terika, she a 36-year-old. Right? And this man is an active duty, military man, the United States military and thing, and him and him wife have little argument and whatever, look at domestic, kerfuffle and thing. But anyway, we end up, she end up a driver and a driver from him, and him a driver follow back her. And she a driver try get her from him and thing, and then drive going to a mall, and run out of a vehicle now and run going to the mall now, I try get her from him, because wherever I go and she know where the dog a come at her, and she run going to one store, and he run her go down in a store, and say boy kill her in a store and kill himself. Hey boy kill his wife in a store and kill himself. This a Friday gone down a Georgia. Which part of Georgia? Press, you hear about it? You hear about this one, that mix up, yeah? The military husband who kill, run down his wife, in a mall, and kill her and full her up a shot and then kill himself. Georgia Army soldier chased wife into shopping center before fatally shooting her in murder-suicide. Authorities say a Georgia woman was shot dead by her Army soldier husband as she fled into a business. He then turned the gun on himself in what investigators believe to be a murder-suicide. 35-year-old man make some passa drama, make him go kill the people in picking. Nice, beautiful woman go kill a woman and go kill himself too and whatever. People, when me I say, what could have caused people go do all of them? Yeah, I don't know some of the panic from what they, but why? People, nothing wrong if you're in a situation and somebody reject you. Right? Even if you do a whole heap of good for the person and the person reject you. A life. You get over it and move on. That is not care how heavy the thing is. That is not if you go kill a person and kill yourself, And if you want to kill yourself, go kill yourself, man. What you kill people for? John, young people, young, two of them young, but young woman and thing. And them have two daughters, but we don't know if she have two daughters, if the daughter them a few father, and the report not really clarify that part there yet. And thing, but boy, people are go through it out there, Some people are go through it out there. But people not care how no mad, not care how no vex, not care how no angry. And indeed, don't care how much you have been betrayed. Don't care how much the person supposedly has been ungrateful and mean and cruel and awful way. That still don't get the right for go kill them. Right? And in that, and in not having that right also, it is incumbent on you as much as possible to prepare yourself for these things. And what Ragashanti has been saying all this time, whatever bad thing happened to anybody in this world before now, it can happen to you. Manage your expectations and you will manage your disappointments. It doesn't mean that you can't be hurt and upset about something. But success in anything, the degree of success in anything is always a consequence of your preparation. How well you're successful in anything is always determined by how much you are prepared. And when I say to you, this thing I want where you get enough of them people that do something, them can't believe this happened to me. Me can't believe she do me that. Me can't believe him do me that. Me can't believe she do me that. John, when me vex, you know, me go kill her, you know, she do me that. Me go kill him, you know, me. Whatever happened to anybody else in this world can happen to you. And when it comes to relationship, when you hear me say it over and over, nothing is wrong. If you don't make you look at vows, them and thing, I want to serious about it and thing like that and whatever. But never go into anything. Follow with them romance book and with the church, them and all them something that tell you. Never you go into anything believing that, you know, it going to be forever. If it lasts forever till you're dead, then fine, good. But anything you're going in, you can come out of it or you can be thrown out. Anything you're going in, particularly when it's not 100% dependent only on you whether or not you stay in it or not, but that there is a sentient being also involved, 1 or 2 or 3, who have the capacity to make choices for themselves. They have a right to make choices and things that will involve you being extricated from whatever agreement or arrangement you're in with them. And if they make that choice and whatever, yeah, you're going to disappoint and hurt about it and all them something there. But yeah, my life goes on. We're going to kill the people them for. Don't set up on yourself with these things, want to go in at these things and but you are mine forever and all them damn fart there. Things happen. Most people who get in them arrangement and thing, they got in it for the long run and look how much breakups they bought. Why you think a breakup can't happen to you? Anything happened to other people before can happen to you. People left people before and you can deal with somebody who can left you. People reject people before and you can deal with somebody who can reject you. People do good things to people before, whole heap of good things to people, and the people who them do good things for turn around and for whatever reason them decide say them either gonna be ungrateful or them decide to them gonna move on to something or them make one careless choice or whatever. People do things. Just understand that. And don't end up in a position the boy, I can't believe she do me this. John, you know, kill her, you know, I can't believe him do me that and whatever. Believe it. Believe it. Anything will happen to anybody else. Anything that has been happening to other people can happen to you. And if you understand that, once you understand that, when people start doing some bad things, you can't cuss and go and bad in a chew with them or whatever, or you know, whatever cathartic exercise you want to engage in order, to purge yourself, or but don't make that be that don't make that healing. Don't make that healing have to be that, because somebody somebody betray you or somebody say them not want you anymore and all them something they are leave or whatever. You feel say you have a right to go kill the people them now. And then go kill yourself. See, they know 2 picnic, 2 daughters there they know. That's why I'm telling you, when you hear me dip on a story with the woman, I always forget her name, she was the youngest female billionaire in our country. You hear she say her father tell her, when she grew up, she say her father keep on and tell her, so you don't feel at anything yet. You need to keep feeling at things, right? Every day, regularly her father say, you need to feel, go do things, man. Go try things and feel, you need to feel. And the woman just reach a point where she just fearless with anything and she just understand life, say, bad things happen. So she never afraid of failure. She never afraid of disappointment. meaningless to her because her father conditioned her and raised her that way. They say, yo, part of success is to keep, is to keep trying. And when you keep trying, you're going to have varying degrees of failure. To the point where when them something that happened to her, and then coming like nothing to her. Men, I mean, I some man alone because I only need to watch the true crime show. Them fishes say woman do a whole heap of killing too. Them just to report them as much, but a whole heap of woman are killing a man. And enough of the killing what woman do, people assume say a man do all of them, right? Because enough woman get you with killing, I just show all the video now where I see some things that come out and things and whatever and we. Yo, what do you see one video, man? Woman have a man, and the man there in one country, she in another country, but when the man in a country, the man a sat out and look young as man. And look in her early 20s. And thing. And the woman know, and the woman go look for her man, and when she go look for her man and whatever, a young as a fe hold her can and thing, and she leave, and she and her friend leave like them a go airport and whap it back on the girl, and drag it. Video me tell you about, drag a girl out in a bush and the two of them stab her up in a man, must give her, that. Then have to be about 100 stab it, two of them get the poor little girl and whatever. What she do? I idiot thing that. All right. One other thing This thing with Donnelly Donaldson Boy. Well, for who don't know about it, this is a young social media influencer, young lady on social media. Well, that is how she's identified. And apparently, the word on the street, out in other thing, is that she was involved in a love triangle with a man and a baby mother. The man is a police officer. The baby mother is also a police officer, district constable if I'm not mistaken. But the woman is also a police officer. And then the social media lady was missing for a long while. And then alarm raised about it, people are talking about it, and it's a big thing out there. Many of you have asked me about it and thing. And again, my response is, I don't know more than what you know. Yes, as usual, some things were said to me, Raga, what really a go on in a rare, Raga, rare, what really a go on, so. Then Raga, know, say boom, bang, 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 bing, bing, a regular thing. Every time something go down, you get one, you get some real account where, where people think we're going. But this one, I must say that I'm getting a diverse amount of explanation about what I go. Like, I get different ones. So, and they're not, even though they are different, they don't have elements of uniformity that I could cross-reference and say, well, there is some consistent narrative here in this story when in compared to that one, in compared to that. That one are kind of confusing. The police investigators have come out and they have cautioned people to be careful with the accounts of this and that they're bandying about and so forth and things like that. And essentially have given the impression that they're on the case, that it's a priority and that they're working on it and that they're applying, the appropriate amount of resources that they need to apply in order to reach some sort of understanding about what is going on. One of the things to see video and them sitting there and whatever say, them find our body that is rife on social media. Only can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if we have had any official confirmation, you know, with all them video about them find our body and all them something, you know. Somebody has said they arrested Karen Eli. About that with the bantanning or whatever. So you just tell me what I go on, right? If you have been telling all the while or nothing. Right? So about you get about a time or whatever. Just tell me why. So they arrested him, turned himself in today. All right, good. Today, me busy whole day today. Somebody said turn himself in, but when him turn himself in, was he arrested? Okay, Marine said they finally arrested him this morning. I read what the people them are posting. You know. You said it all the time, man. The woman does not belong to you. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. And if the woman them want to make it worse for the man, them a try. Yeah, okay. So them say him turned himself in and was arrested. So what did I go on with a whole big part where them both them I said is there anything to be said about all these allegations that is the baby mother did do this and the baby mother did do that and whatever? You know, other part they go. Okay. Missy said the baby mother got arrested too. Okay. Yeah, because there was some allegation said the baby mother do so and then him and the baby mother was allegedly conspired to do this and that with the body and all them something there and whatever and you know, yeah, some people I see, you know, Denise Besson and all these people, you know, influential people in media, they were concerned about how much time this take, and there were some suspicions there, you know, about that, you know, given that two of the actors involved were members of the Jamaica Constabulary, and people had the suspicions about what exactly, you know, was happening and so forth. So if them give themselves, well, if you know, say the man give himself in, I don't know what you mean not. That's why that's why sometimes I can't follow. So somebody has said not enough evidence to arrest the woman, and then somebody before said the woman was arrested too and whatever. That is exactly what I talk about. It's like, you know, each person thinks that them know what is what, but you know, when you put all of them together, there's all this conflicting information and so forth and thing, you know, to somebody who, but everybody think them know what going on, you know. Most people think them know what going on. This happen, that happen and thing, but part of them story, you know, conflict with somebody else thing and whatever, you know. Cheryl said, no, she's not. But you see it, somebody before they post and says this, she arrested too, you know. And I tell her that, exactly. You have these, you know, these conflicting accounts of what's going on. But all that, they're sitting there now, people know. I don't know what happened, you know, but we are here says some love triangle type of thing and you know, we obviously don't know, you know, the details of what the precare is, what the mix-up is and whatever, but why is there all right, people who are post, did they confirm that her body was found and that she's indeed dead? Right? That one. Prezi, the influencer, did they confirm that them find her body? Because you can't follow social media. Everybody, oh, them find the body. I'm going to see the video and the Raga, you have to fling up what? See it there? Say true the answer, no. So technically them not find the body yet. See it there? Ah, yeah. And almost a few days ago, it did stink. It was one whole heap of video with sitting on one body in the woods and all them something there, whatever. And them a claim to them fine her and thing and thing. But people, again, I'm saying, here we have another instance of this thing, where, emotion just emotions take over people and, selfishness and immaturity and all these things and whatever. And we have a life lost now, a young lady with a, promising life ahead of her, ambitious and a do her little thing and whatever and thing, and gone. Gone. You know, man. People behave on themselves now, man. Oh, some people have my phone and people are sending me thing, and whatever, Yeah, people behave on themselves, man. All right? When stress come upon you and problem come upon you with people involved, not care what people do to you, man. Once you feel an inclination, therefore go do engage in some sort of extreme behavior that may involve harm to somebody else or even fatality to another and thing. Just brace yourself, man. Right? And pull back. It's not worth it in the long run. It's not worth it. All right. Well, I break and we'll come back. We take some call and all these things and whatever and thing. I want to call him about anything I don't want to call him about and chat about anything I don't want to chat about and thing. All right? We're soon far.
It's the Bridge 99 FM. How you deal with? Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, call him. I don't want to call him, but the number from Jamaica is 876-676-4996. Yeah, man, down. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Again, from Jamaica. Call him about anything you want to call him about. 876-676-4996. Felicia Grant, big up yourself. All right, if you're calling from the United States, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. People back Canada, And anybody who know the fullness of this can tell me. One woman, she must be 70-year-old. And the woman, somebody from Canada called me and tell me about it. The story, I don't want to read it word for word. But the woman, apparently, this woman in her 70s, I drive and see one woman, like she need help or so, and thing, but I ride one bicycle and she stop and I help the woman and thing. Remember the woman in her 70s, so old woman stop on the highway, for Canada, to help the woman with her bicycle. So the woman does lick her down and take her car and drive with the car and whatever. Like, seriously? John, no. Give me a call. Give me the call, President. Give me a call. Hello. Yes, sir? Yeah, what go on?
Wife, me call him to tell us,
Yeah, what that?
Yeah, 5. So I see I'm just to about trouble. I said, man, go check out, man.
What?
I said, man, go check out, man. Come here one lady call one night. That's why the youth will say, only God Jonathan and no height.
What you mean? Something you go check out? I don't know what you talk like say people remember where did that talk. You have to talk.
No, man, the height thing, man. No, I said, me never used to go to clinic, go check about that, I mean, I go to airport and you see it.
Oh, so you said true, you never go clinic or airport, you don't know how tall you are?
Yes, so I'm going to check here now, 5 feet tall and 6 inches.
What? Well on. President, sit down. So wait, well on. So what? First of all, okay. No, make people understand what I'm going.
Yeah.
We have things that we do here and things like that, and you interested in women and things. So, Brittany, they call in and say, nothing, say, boy, you not cut no dash. Because you can't want woman and look around, you don't even know how tall it is. You don't know how tall it is. Robert don't know how tall it is and whatever. So you are say, the reason why you don't know how tall you are is because You know, go hospital and airport, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is why you don't know how tall it is, because you know really you know, go hospital or airport, right?
No, that's why I'm going to check it up here now.
Oh, well, and so basically I say, if you did go hospital and if you did go airport, you don't know how tall it is, no?
Yeah, come never check it.
Oh, because people who go airport, like when you say go airport, you mean when them a fly out or just go airport?
Fly out.
Okay, so you say when people are going to fly out, them have to know how tall them is, no?
Yeah, because when I'm going to go check it.
Okay.
You have to check your height.
Okay. So then now,
Yeah.
so through that now, you're going to just go check your height. And you say, right now, you say you're 5 feet tall and 6 inches. Hold on. Tell me again, what?
5 feet tall and 6 inches. And me weigh 106. And me handsome, and me do farming, plant tambourine and cane and pine.
Yes. Hold on, man. Hold on. You cannot tell them all of the good things them so much fast, man. You have to make them, you have to tell them slow. So you say,
Yeah.
you're 5, tell me again, how you go?
5 feet and 6 inches tall.
Okay, 5 feet and 6 inches tall. How much you weigh?
10'6".
What?
106.
106 what?
ALD.
Eh?
106 pounds.
Oh, what you did say about MD a while ago? What?
No, MD, man. ALD.
MD? What that?
No, there's something. I pound, man. I pound something, man.
I pound something. Oh, I would them put
Yeah.
3 pound.
Yeah, 106 pounds, yeah.
When I put the LLB, no?
Yeah.
Okay, for signal, yeah, that look a sign something that was signal upon LLB. I think I remember that. So you're 106 pound, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, you maga?
No, me no maga.
But if you're 106 pound, man, then...
Yeah, me small in the body and me black.
You're small in the body and you're black. Okay. And you're
handsome.
And you're handsome. Well,
yeah, me plant tambourine.
And you plant what?
Tambourine and pine and cane.
You plant what the first thing when you say you plant what? Hello?
Turmeric.
Oh, turmeric. You call turmeric again, pronounce turmeric. Tambric, you say?
Yeah, tambourine, yeah.
Your
Curry.
credit are done?
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me how you know you're handsome.
How me know me handsome?
Yeah, how you know you're handsome.
I tell how you go. Me talk nice and me deal with people good and me treat myself nice.
Okay, but how you know you're handsome? Describe what make you handsome.
Me look good and me clean and me short and black.
Okay, and you're clean and thing and whatever. But describe your face now. Describe your face.
My face round and black.
Yeah. What else upon your face? Describe something else upon your face.
And my eyes they look pretty and me feel cool.
Your eyes them look pretty and feel cool? Oh. Into my arms. Into my arms. Come into my arms, Lord Jesus. Come in today. Come in, I pray. Come in to my arms. Lord Jesus, the water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. God Almighty. Listen to me now, people. Listen to me now, people. I love Jamaica, you know. Hey, listen to me now, man. but Jesus, Pastor God, if you know this. Anyway, give me the next caller. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah, what going?
Yeah, look at soldier in Raga.
Where you say what?
Yeah, look at soldier, man. Yeah, I did. You know, look at soldier from day one, man.
No, but you have to tell me, I remember, say, me, I'm working, I'm doing things, I'm here, woolly advice and thing, you know? So, how would this?
Yeah, no. Ticaros himself, man, Raga, man.
Ticaros in the building. What you say, General?
There, man, my general, man. Yeah, I did.
You know, some man there, yeah, man there, jiggy and thing, you see me?
Free, my general. If I have life for the greatest, my general.
See him, so. So, what you say, you know?
You know, it's upon an honest one.
Yeah.
I really want you to do for kind of cycle this thing still.
Do what?
Although I know say it, I really want you kind of can even say, oh, even look upon it and even can talk about it in general, because on a serious note, the taxi drivers and the bus driver, them don't look up for the bicycle youth them. Kind of for you out the hard working youth that will go out there to make a living.
Yeah.
And them want to stay way off on honest, no, my daddy.
The taxi driver them and the bus driver them at Jamaica, them a disrespect the bicycle rider them, though.
I tell them I'm a general, man.
Talk up, man. Talk to them, you know. Talk up and make the whole country here while going out the talk.
On an honest note, for the whole world fear, upon an honest note, me, Ticaros, known as Denamos, anyone who see that bicycle in the world. Yeah, man. Me. On an honest note, the taxi driver them need to deal with them better in the world, brother.
See
most driver them said.
See that.
Bike riders them said we. If we live together, we can move together.
Well on. And the bike rider them a violate against the bicycle rider them.
Oh God, man. You want to see them act against the road against all the driver them. That's why the driver them are deal with you say.
John.
Them are deal with the driver them a certain way, and the driver them have to take it up onto other set of youth. That's right.
Well, I'm going to sound it out for them. I'm going to sound it out for you. Yo, all bus driver, all taxi driver and bike rider out there. Yo, the caller say, oh, now move right to the bicycle rider and I'm out there, not disrespect the program. When I violate the thing, I max out with some violation and all these things. And the caller sound of a bill and balance up a thing and give some respect to the bicycle rider them out there. Yeah, respect, Joe. And that the caller say. You hear me sound it up the for my general. Hello? Prezi, how are you? Eh? Oh, okay, well. All right, then let me just sound it out for the boss. Hello, good night.
Good night, Raga. What's up?
You know I say my life up and whatever. I'm happy and thing. I'm blessed. And things are going for me. Yeah.
We too. And you are, and is that Uno alone? We too.
What you mean by Uno? Who are the Uno now? Who are the Uno now?
Listen, so that must you and your family, them and everybody, my youth.
Oh, okay. Yes, man. Yes. So wait, good things are going for you, big things are going for you, though.
It's not so big, but it's soon big, don't worry.
But one thing for sure, though, you're fan of work because it's a blowing iPhone.
Move the phone, go down the sofa. Blowing at the phone Put the bar something.
Yeah, move the fan, man, because the fan are blowing iPhone, yo.
Yes.
And what kind of fan?
Who is that?
What kind of fan?
Who is that to you?
No, I don't know who this.
Mr. E.
Who?
Mr. E.
Missy who?
E. Like an egg. E.
Oh, so Missy E.
Yes.
Oh, what the E stand for?
Elizabeth.
Okay, Missy E. So what go on, Missy E? What go on?
Medea, you know?
What you up to in the night, yeah?
Listen, more time, hear you talk about the Holy Spirit, right?
Okay, yeah.
And when people, all them keep service long and all them kind of things.
Yes. Me have a problem with that. We can keep things too long. Church people.
true, Raga. The Holy Spirit talk to you, you know, but you not really get it, you know, but he must talk to you.
For real?
You understand? Yes, because you know what I'm telling me, if you come tell them, say?
Yeah.
The whole of them way see, most of all of them way see are going at a church. And them something there, them a waste for them time and a waste the Holy Spirit time.
What you mean with the long service them and the long thing them and what that, bro? Huh?
Because, yes, Raga, because you see them time there,
yeah.
you see them a spend,
yeah.
when them a talk about them a fast, how much hours and all them kind of things there. And I go to church every Sunday, and them a do it for years, Raga, and not change.
No, but me not no problem with them. I go to church every Sunday and I do them fasting. All I'm just saying is that, hold on. All I'm saying, you are saying is that the Holy Spirit did attacking on me when me said that. But probably me need to learn a little bit more about that. But all I'm saying is Jamaicans have a tendency, when they're keeping things like funerals and weddings, wedding especially, and them something there, and church service, them have this thing weird. Them just go really, really long. And then make a whole heap of people a chat and a whole heap of people a talk and thing and whatever. And graduations too and them something that them go too long, man.
Raga,
too long.
Listen.
Yes.
Raga, yes, you're right. But I'm telling you what the Holy Spirit tell me to tell them.
Okay, yeah. So tell me. What the Holy Spirit tell you to tell.
They're wasting his time and their time.
Okay, them are okay.
Listen, they are selfish. Them go there, I seek the Father.
What? Oh, the credit sound that and the new credit sound that in a present. And you know, say she did have more things that the Holy Spirit tell her to tell her, you know. Oh God. And we need to hear this thing here, you know, man. But I just want to be clear, you know, what my contention is on this matter. Is that Jamaicans, my fellow Jamaicans, I am just encouraging you all to, not that you should overemphasize brevity, not that you should make everything super short, because we're well aware, I mean, talking about the Holy Spirit, sometimes anybody who know when church nice, you know, man, and you hear people say the Holy Spirit take over, church can just and it's nice and it's sweet. But I'm just saying that I have long had this issue where graduation, funeral, wedding and thing, and una have this thing where una not think about the people. Wait, somebody there on the line? Prezi, somebody there on the line? Eh? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, Yaga, what?
Yeah, I'm good. Why go on?
Yeah. Yeah, but look, mix up with show up here.
Yeah, I could hear a mix up there. Talk directly in my phone, though. Talk directly in my phone.
Yeah, man. When I was a young youth.
Yeah?
Around 17, 18.
17, 18, yeah?
Yeah, I used to live with my grandmother, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So my grandmother lived over one side and we on the other side. So we used to go out at night and go show on them places there.
Seeing?
And come home late at night.
Seeing?
So my grandmother always just said to me that you don't want Reed to come inside him house them late time of night, eh?
Right.
Or call back a parents' house.
Okay.
We leave the door half open.
Yeah.
That we can come in and he can't hear it when you come inside.
She can't hear you when you come inside, right?
Yeah. So him always a quarrel. Say,
she. We don't want to confuse the listener. Say she always so what she always a quarrel. Yeah.
She said,
yeah.
We don't want when they come in our house, in my house late at night and I can't Duppy come in.
Right.
So anyway, one night, at 2 o'clock in the morning, I went out the door to go well pee. So me I go down on the step and see a man come from around the house. Grown for me. So me get so frightened.
Well, yeah, pee and one man come from around the house and come around for you while you pee at the 2 o'clock a morning there.
Me they go let you go.
What you mean? You did go let go your penis?
Yeah, the pee.
Oh, you did go stop your pee?
Yeah.
Well on. Did you start pee?
I was about to do it.
Oh, you did about to go release and thing, and then what you see one man do what?
A man clone for me from the other side of the house.
Did you recognize this man? Did you know who this man was?
No, sir.
Okay, so go and tell me what happened after that now. Go and tell me.
Yeah, I said, which man is? So me catch me friend and run back in the house, sir.
So what you put him back your tail and run go back in the house?
Yeah, man, and the PA come down for me and I want to let it go, I can't let it go.
Can't let it go, because you know who that man here come up on the corner for you and thing. Yeah.
See.
And then what?
So I start look through the keyhole and there are people and I do it, but
yeah.
I'm not see him. So I just hurry up, go back and let it go up on the step and say that, the morning,
Well on. So what you say, when you look around and you see the man now, you know, but I want to go back outside, so you just go pee on the step.
Yeah, say early in the morning, so they go out and get it washed up.
Yeah, you go wash it up and thing, okay, and then, But your grandmother wake up and what happen?
No, man. So they go wash off the pee off I step. Early in the morning before my grandmother wake. Right. So they do it and flying back in the house.
You pee on the step and flying back in the house.
Yeah,
and then what happened after that?
It's when I lock the door and going back in the house.
Yeah.
Ragas, me have both to go lie down on the bed.
Yeah.
One of my brother inside of the bed.
Yeah.
I get a ratted licking on my head.
Yes, man, your granny clot out your nastiness. Yeah, with what?
My granny clot me. I know my granny lead back.
And
our uncle may have died, man.
What uncle what?
Our uncle may have died.
Oh, him died no, but when him did alive, him clot in her head.
No, man, I went in dead, man.
Well on. The uncle were boxing in her head, him did dead already?
Yeah.
So wait, you tell me, say, when you did go back out, go pee on the step and thing, and open the door, the Duppy go in at the house or the Duppy did in there already? The uncle Duppy did in there already?
I don't know when after me see me now, but me I tell you after me go back inside of the house.
Yeah.
The man give me a ratty licking on my head.
Jesus, I'm mad. Don't tell me, say, your Duppy uncle box in your head. Your Duppy uncle box in your head?
He dream to my grandmother and tell my grandmother that enough to eat again.
No, hold on. When you get the box in your head and thing, how you know it was your uncle? We're dead. Your dead uncle.
He dream to my grandmother, man.
Oh, so when you get the box in your head back when you're going there, you never know who box in your head back?
No.
Okay, so before we get to the dream, so after you get the box in your head back, after you pee on the step and go back in, what happened after that?
Raga, I tell you, man.
Yeah.
History, man.
Yeah, what happened? History. Tell me history. Yeah, what happened after? At that moment, when you get the box in your head back, what you did do? What you turn around for look and see who box you. Explain what you do. Explain that part.
You say after me coat and pee on the step.
Right.
See?
Right.
I get back inside the house.
Right.
Shut the door.
Right.
When about to lie down on the bed.
Right.
2 minutes.
Right.
The man clad me on my head, man.
You get
like a natural lick.
You get one natural lick in your head. So what you do when you get the natural lick then?
After I get the lick in my head now, I start giddy away and start jump up on my wall head and like a fire. So you wake my brother now, I'm telling my brother, I say, wake up.
Well, your head did feel like a fire when you are giddy away.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. And you wake your brother and tell your brother, and what you tell your brother?
I tell my brother, I say, to go in my grandmother's room, go call him.
Go call her, okay.
So my brother jump up and ground there.
Yeah.
So my grandmother crow now, my grandmother asked me, what's happened?
Yes.
So me I tell my grandmother.
Yeah.
I got the man in my head like a light.
The man what?
The man make me feel in my head like a light in Antonio and my body, man.
So well on, so you come for know say your uncle now, what with the dream of your grandmother? What happened? How that part?
Well, no man, soon get to that, man.
Yes.
So my grandmother said to my brother now, why go and go call your mother and your father? So my brother said, me nah go there, no, me nah go there.
Eh.
So my grandmother said, what me say, though? So my brother said, me nah go there. So my grandmother said, all right, me I go there. And my grandmother go out and go call my old man and call my mother.
Mm-hmm.
So when him come now, I tell him something because doctor. Father said that. The old man said, why doctor can't do nothing to this now?
Okay.
So the man thought, put a fire upon me, you know, Raga.
Who start put a fire upon you?
After we get lick.
Yeah.
I mean, I talk, bring me go doctor. The man said, I can't go no doctor, for doctor can't do nothing to me.
Right.
So he said, do something to me. So anyway, the man, hear me talk to what you know, Raga, you know, I know, hold me on my throat, you know.
Who the man? Where you say the man? Who?
The feeling that I got in my head, come down in my throat.
Okay. So basically, you said it. True, you complain and I say you need some remedy and I talk about it. You say you see him, you see him Duppy uncle, start choke you, start strangle you.
Yeah, but in tie off my throat, man, and I can't talk.
Jesus God, I think your Duppy uncle tie off your throat, make you couldn't talk.
Right, in tie off my tongue.
How will you say to me, man? You serious?
Serious thing I tell him, man, natural thing I tell him.
Nah, man, it sound like your uncle it have you. Then I vex him back because you piss on the step.
So, Raga, one night time me have some money island and mattress, you know.
Who did have money on the island and mattress? You?
My uncle.
Your uncle? Yeah.
I've been telling me see money and tell my old man. And my old man send me got teeth piece of money out tight and he made me see money on the aquarium and he have me up.
Oh, so when he was alive, him did have some money island and mattress. You go tell your father fiend, brother?
No,
your father, brother-in-law. But your father now go tell your father. Your father now tell you for go thief piece of money from man that mattress when him did have the when him alive, don't?
See it.
And when him a cuss about the money now, you just clutch and nobody even make him know say you take him money, don't?
Right, but he know that of me.
But him know say you.
So he have me up with that and...
Say, you know, she say him a carry belly for a long time and your uncle a carry belly for from him alive. So when he dead now, and through him a carry belly for from your life, I know when he dead now, and him see you coming here, you go piss on the step when you coming and the one box in your head back and all these things and whatever, and make your head up in a fire, and you say, no, you want some remedy for the fire, you ball out and I say you want some remedy, and I say nobody can help you, and him starts choke you and strangle you and cut you, and make you could even talk. Backside, you know, you didn't go through it, man.
So you're now, Raga. You're now. After he cut off my tongue now, I can't talk.
He cut off your tongue? Yeah, okay.
I can't talk. Tongue tie up.
Tongue tie up,
yeah. You slam my feet.
Yeah. Tongue tie up.
One fire instead of my belly.
He said no one fire in your belly. My make me cuss. Listen to me, my make me cuss bad word for the people in the station. He said fire go down in your belly.
Right, I tell you what, things I'm experience in my life, man.
Jeez.
As a youth.
Whoa! Fire go down in your belly.
You put a fire down in my belly, rather. And you lick my belly, man.
And you slap your belly with your hand, down.
Right. And you stamp the feet.
And I stamp your foot, them, yeah.
Right. So my old man have to take me out of the house. And can go for females.
Okay, because they on the Duppy uncle that kill you in there, don't?
So they rub me up with something and...
And what they rub you up with? What they rub you up with?
Well, that you know what they rub me up with.
You don't even know. A bush? Or aisle?
Something they have in a buckle.
Buckle, okay, all right.
So me up at the house.
I want them something that for ease off a Duppy them, you know? Some Duppy repellent. Yeah.
So me up at the yard now and lie down on the bed, Raga.
Eh.
And he come like, draw the bed out of the house, you know.
Listen, you gotta make me cuss, by the way, you gotta make me cuss some cloth, but when you're there by your bed, the Duppy come back and I drive with the bed with you?
Up of a well man house.
So that means they follow you go up there, man?
Yeah, man. I mean, you tell you so the boy got me in a fire all night and around 6 o'clock in the morning to get a sleep, brother.
At 6, pressure you the whole night, Uncle
Whole
Vex,
night
man. Whole night.
So you have now. So you have now after that now. You make me food and weak up like then cut off.
Wow.
3 days me can't walk.
A lie.
Yeah, I tell you.
How will you say? 3 days you couldn't walk, you just have been in bed, so no?
Because they hold me up and slung on one chair and the on the front and they have to hold me up back to carry me in bed. I can't walk.
Damn.
So after that now, after the 3 days now,
yeah,
we start get to the move, take time on the walk now.
Okay, start feel look better and thing.
Yeah, after me come around now, I start tell them boy that I'm a friend in my community.
Yeah.
So then start laugh now and got you as a game.
Okay.
Give me this.
Them a what?
So when them a give me about it.
Them a give me about it. Yeah, them a mount you about it. Yeah.
So then used to have a show all in the community. So then keep show.
Yeah.
So when the boy come call me at night time to go show, I tell him I'm not going no show.
Nah, go no show because you know why you Duppy uncle come call you again, though.
But I'm afraid, man.
Okay.
I'm afraid when the kids 6 o'clock, I have to go in the house.
Backside, I know one thing. So hold on, Duppy no walk at daytime?
It happened at the
No, I said that did happen at night, but I ask you think Duppy walk at daytime?
You don't know anything wrong, I can't answer that one.
But at night time you did afraid that because it look like at night time your Duppy uncle come out. Don't come fast with it.
This when the man fast with the man and lick the man, I tell you man. I'm afraid.
So them they do anything in at the end for like get rid of him for easy him off so him just come bother you and thing or whatever. Because it's not like him can't get back the money where you did take. Because he can't spend the money at Duppy land and thing or whatever. And I like him can't go buy bull and suck with the money in a Duppy land or whatever. But him vex with you. But them they do anything for easy man I think.
You know the yard till me get afraid and we just left the yard rather.
You just breeze the yard, left them man for court.
Just breeze the yard. We left 36 years. Just leave here 36 years me leave here.
36 years, you what?
You leave the property.
You leave the property. And where was this property again? Where is this property located?
In St. James.
St. James. Which part of St. James? You have to just give it like the community.
One place we call Irving.
What name?
Irving.
Irving?
Irving
in a St. James. I don't really know this.
Yeah.
I don't really know. Irving in a...
It's near against Tucker Irving and them place.
It's near Tucker and them place, eh?
Yeah, Granville.
Oh, I know Granville. Yeah, I know Granville. Around them side there. Okay.
Yeah, so when the man is open rag, I get afraid that I can't stand the yard no more. I'm just leave.
Okay. So how that did affect you when them something that beat you and thing? You couldn't get for sort out. You never start sort out yet because you was 17, 18. You were still a virgin them time there, don't it?
Around 17, 18.
Yeah, you were still a virgin, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so it never bother you. That wasn't an issue yet. That was an issue. Because you never start dugu yet and hook and them something there. But listen to me now, I'm glad you were able to survive all of that and you're there, chang, and I go through, because you go through it, you Duppy uncle box in your head and then sit there, choke you and thing and send fire go down in your belly and dry you off a bed and thing. That was it. Your Duppy uncle was a terrorist. He was a terrorist. He was an unconscionable, terrible man. And thing, I can't bet the money where you did thief from it wasn't even that much and thing. I know that him turned Duppy. Him not go and but him Duppy busy go power with Bob Marley and all these people and whatever and leave you alone. Him come back and bother you. But anyway, big up yourself, here.
Yes, man. Take care of yourself.
All right, my general. Thanks for that one.
All right. Yeah.
I love Jamaica, man. I love Jamaicans and Jamaican culture and the whole work. Next guy, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Greetings, Carla. Wagwan.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
First time caller.
Oh, well, welcome to the calling family, auntie.
I have a story to give you when I was younger.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay. So, when I was about 21,
yeah,
I went on tag, a dating app.
Right.
And I met this guy.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, he told me he was single.
Mm-hmm.
And he used to visit me by my house.
Oh, he used to come visit you by your house?
Yes.
Okay.
So, I started like him and thing,
Right.
So, after about 3-4 months, I decided to visit his house.
Right.
In St. Elizabeth.
In St. Elizabeth. Oh, but where were you?
Yeah.
Where were you when he was visiting you at your house? What parish were you?
I was in Kingston.
You were in Kingston. So after about 3 months, you decided to go visit him in St. Elizabeth. Okay. All right.
Yeah, to see where he lives and all of that.
Right.
So when I reached his house, we had something to eat. It was nice.
Right.
About after 10 in the night now, start out time.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was to come close and I hear the door start knock.
Right.
His wife come home.
Ratted. Well, but you didn't know I'm wife. Him tell us I'm wife?
Yeah, after the lady start knock the door and behave and go up and I go on. I think somebody must have called her to say that he brought home somebody.
Right.
So, I'm just going to the bed.
What? Well, you did don't take off your clothes and naked. Him did naked too?
Yes.
Him did naked?
I'm a week. Yes, I'm a week. Come on. Just go to the bed.
Wait, all your week you take off. Listen to me, man. Tambourine. So when you say you did take off your clothes and take off all your week too. So, well, you did naked, not even on this?
Yes. And your wife come home. Remember the guy told me he was single.
Lord Jesus.
So when I went to the house, there was no sign of feminine stuff there.
You never seen a feminine stuff because you scan the place quick and
shoes,
thing.
No clothes,
no clothes, no liquor, nothing upon the dresser will look girly and nothing like that.
The man hide the things them raga.
No, ratted player, man. So him hide the something them auntie. So when they knock on
come in, so I got a woman stand lock, my heart start beat. Remember, I'm not from St. Elizabeth.
Right, so
I don't know and at night I don't know the place.
You know, I'm not bucketive over there. You don't even know the road, the ends over there.
No.
Yeah, I want me. So what on. So when she knock, what him say? I'm wife.
And I say, oh shoot.
Okay.
My woman come home.
And then what him say after that?
Him have to pull the door.
Him say him have to pull the door. So when tell you for do? When tell you for do for protect you? When tell you for do?
I'm trying to hide.
Him tell you for hide or you just decide for go hide? Or him tell you for go hide?
Rather before the man don't talk, I'm underneath the bed.
You gonna? So you fly down on the bed. So you grab your clothes with you and you go under. Are you the naked as the day you're born? You grab your clothes with you.
I grab everything.
Under the bed with everything?
I went under the bed.
Yeah, and then what happened?
When the woman come in, she look around, the place look all right. But them talk. I'm under the bed for about 2-3 hours.
What?
Guess what happened next?
Wait, hold on. So when she come in and things, she did ask about... She did ask and I say if you have woman in here or whatever. And she scanned
the... Yeah, typical Jamaica woman. She scanned the place.
Scan the place and thing and whatever. That time you under the bed, clutch.
Yeah, man. Well, free. I can't fight,
You can't fight. And then now, so that the whole 3 hours, what go on there with him and her?
I got the bed top start rock.
What? Wait there, well, him and her, did I do it? Well,
the man and the woman started the things over my head.
Are you didn't under the bed? I joke can't make a serious thing. A serious thing.
Raga, show me no one laugh for Lord. A serious thing I talk. The two of them doing business right over my head.
Well, and then do everything, or them just do
everything, rather everything. When
hold on, no, I'm not gonna ask you to look. Hold on, look at slurpings go on to and them something there.
Everything did have one.
Listen to me now, man. So you did under the bed, you have to listen to all of them something that I want on the bed and jerk out, eh?
Rather, I'm under the bed till I fall asleep.
That weird. Well, what you mean you fall asleep? You couldn't fall asleep. You're not afraid they're going to snore and they hear you.
I'm a night sleeper, okay? So I can't hold it. So I fell asleep.
So hold on. So wait. So when them did done, do what them a do? Like what happened? What happened after?
Them go sleep. Them go sleep.
So them go sleep and then through them asleep. You couldn't come from that bed. You just jump asleep under that, don't you?
Yeah, go sleep. So my only word was this, because when I sleep, I might snore.
Right.
So I was worried. I was like, please God, don't let me snore tonight.
Oh, but you snore.
Sleep did kill me.
Yeah.
Yes, sleep was killing me. So
yeah,
I was praying.
You know, long trip from Kingston come up a Saint. Long trip from Kingston come a Saint Elizabeth and thing and whatever. And you're tired in the night and that. So how it end up? How it end up?
Okay, so in the morning, you know, they spoke that she left for work. After she leave, when she left the house up to go to work.
Yeah.
So as she leave, when I roll out.
No, but what said between you and him or whatever? What was said?
I'm not talking to the man. I'm just take out my clothes and I'm gone.
Oh, so you did just want to get out quick.
Yes, I want to leave because I'm in an unfamiliar area and I cannot fight. So I just want to leave.
So you just want to leave. But you come out of that one that good, you know, because I have do this decades now. And I have heard some stories where some people, they meet it, man, in them position.
But you know, this happened to me twice. But from that day, I just leave tag alone.
You just leave what?
Tag, the dating side, I just leave it.
Okay, so you did date somebody else too, and some similar did happen before too.
And that time I had to run, leave my wig.
And that time you'd have to run well if your wig that time there.
Yes. Run.
So after that, you say you don't have no luck with the man them you meet with online dating.
Online, no, so I don't bother with online dating.
You just not bother with it and thing and what.
Yes, because people are too dishonest.
People, because a man that did tell you lie to, right?
Yeah, because I'm talking to this guy for a while.
Yeah.
I went to his house, and there was nothing there to show that he lives with a woman.
Right.
But I'm just saying, if you knew you had a woman, why didn't you take it to yourself?
Why didn't what?
Why didn't he take me to an hotel?
To a hotel, right. Yeah. If you know the thing set and thing and whatever. And,
or just keep coming to my house.
Or what?
Or just keep coming to my house.
Okay, seeing. So, well, I know, that woman, she did rush you and you have to run?
Yeah, the other case, no. Of course not for rush. She and her friend, they rush me.
Oh, she and her friend, them rush you?
Yeah, I'm have to run.
So, when them did rush you, you and him did almost do the things them two or did already start?
No, we didn't start as yet. Same story. The guy said he was single.
Right.
I was there.
Right.
Start out.
Right.
Both women start. It's a ghetto place. I won't say where. Somewhere in Kingston.
Right. No, man, you can't say where. No. With that, you can't say where. You can't say Arnett Gardens, Tivoli, or whatever.
I rather not say.
All right. Okay. All right.
Yeah. So it's like the females in the area that saw me, they call them friends. She roll over.
Right.
So cut their man, make a wally for knife.
Uh-huh.
The man know I could eat that man, because the man fed the woman.
Mm-hmm.
So the man open the door. I just run.
Him open the door, you just run through the door and run?
Of course, we just run. I leave my clothes, leave all my things behind. I didn't care. And the woman run me down with acid and her friend them.
Run you down? Okay, with acid and all these things?
So, yeah.
And you left a wig?
I didn't want to get burned out.
You left a wig?
Drop off, man.
The wig drop off? Oh, the wig drop off.
So right now, I'm stop with your wig.
You stop with your wig too? All right. I guess from them two experiences, it was like, that's it. No more meeting these men online and whatever.
Because, that's it. I'd rather meet you face to face, and then I don't go to guys' house.
You don't go to, you don't go guys' house.
No.
If you reach,
my house or hotel.
Your house or hotel. If you reach a point where you and somebody a juggle good and you like him and him a move right and treat you good,
probably
and things go on.
Probably after 2 years.
Yeah, your house or hotel. Nah, go to man house, auntie.
No.
See that? No, man, I totally understand that, man, and thing. But you survive them two things that woman are running on with acid and all these things. And you run left away on the week, fly off for your head. And was an expensive week or like a cheap week?
No, man. In those days, it was a cheap week. It wasn't expensive week.
Okay. All right.
But this is probably 10, 12 years ago.
Okay, all right. Them days when you did that do road, done.
Yeah.
But you survive it, man. We give thanks, man. We're glad you share them two with me tonight, All right?
Okay.
Big up yourself, man. Enough love and blessings, man. All right?
Okay, good night.
Boy, I go see her when she run on the wig, fly off her head. She do the smart thing. Leave the wig, man. Keep it moving. If woman come back, you probably have all them ice pick and knife and acid and whatever. Keep it moving. You understand? And the wig fly off her head and listen to me. You know, someone should have asked her what the man name and thing if the man did name Junior Levy, Because sometimes, you have some people, they have been involved in certain things and thing and whatever. Jack, big up yourself, because we know where you're there, so large up yourself. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. May I get some good mix-up from Canada, what do you know? So, one TamFam, she there somewhere, right? So she talk to her brother. And the discussion with her, she there on the phone and she talk loud, but she in our store. And she talk to her brother. So it's just funny, in terms of culture, depending on where you come from, you have certain like a brand or thing. Once somebody say it, people know what it mean and no confusion. So she talk to her brother, and her brother said to her something about getting Magnum. And but she in a pharmacy, she said, "Nah, man, me get Magnum for you, man, but me in a pharmacy right now and things. When me go so and so, when you get there, whatever. The person who working at the pharmacy, hear her and the pan. No, you don't have to go. We have Magnum condoms here. We have Magnum condoms. We have Magnum condoms here. See, we have Magnum condoms. She's like, no, not that Magnum. It's a different Magnum. It's my brother. It's a different Magnum my brother won. Not that Magnum or whatever. But, what a Jamaican say to our next Jamaican, January, well, feel all the way, you're up on the road, buy 2 Magnum for me. Right away, we know say a drink. We know say it's the Magnum drink. It's like Magnum, it just reached on a level, where it's just so iconic in the Jamaican culture that it's just an automatic understanding or whatever. Like Jamaicans won't, Jamaicans are not going to confuse Magnum, the drink, with Magnum, the condom. Because if we want condom, you're going to say, yo, pick up some boots, You understand? Back in the day, the name brand condom was called Panther. Some of you too young to know about this, so work with it. Right? So, you know it go very often with products, you have a brand that becomes so huge, with the product that the product is referred to as the brand, which it is not. As in Kleenex, right? People say, give me a Kleenex, but Kleenex is really a brand of tissue, right? People say, give me a Pampers, but it's not Pampers them name. Pampers is just a brand of diaper, but people call all of them Pampers and whatever. So, you have, when you have those type of products that reach that level, where they become synonymous with the product itself, and that's the power of the brand right there, something. But that poor pharmacist never know why am I talking about that. Anyway, give me a next caller. Hello.
Nah, no close, Raga.
Why go too cute? Ilian too cute. What you say?
Me there, my love.
Brap. What's up?
Last week, Monday, I think so this week, Monday, me hear you said somebody did a rub me out and sitting.
No, well, I know this Monday because we never have a show Monday. The bridge. Yes,
Monday.
I must say the last week.
Man,
Yeah.
last week.
Yeah.
How did I fast with me on your live show?
No, man. My little brethren there, man, Carl and thing, and him, he was a little bit, you know, him say he was very understanding. Kind of say him like for you when you talk, and him like how you reason and thing. Hold on, but then him say him was a little bit, you know, perturbed that on your account that when you're in your bathroom, God in the bathroom with you and God talk to you and ask you, oh, Dung, they so fat and whatever. I remember when you say it, me say, Lord God, you're going to get me in trouble, you're going to make all my mother say, listen to me, I know some raise you and thing and whatever. Yes. But his argument was that, you didn't go look a bit too far with it and thing and that, yeah, disrespect God. But let me just say, when we put up the show over Ragashanti TV on YouTube, as I always do, there were people who make some posts to your defense, and I said, "Do not joke, Brittany did I said Brittany, I'm wife. Not joke, a joke too cute. Did I make a joke too cute and too free for define herself, define God, or she want to define God and which part God there with her, whatever. So some people did that defend you, man.
Okay, I the Christian talking man. Me not trouble him. I get the wife on your show.
What? Him I get what?
Oh, the man will get the wife on your show.
Right. Well, they got each other. They got each other, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the sure. Yeah, me not trouble him. A good man, and him free to say anything you want.
Oh, that is so nice of you.
Yeah, and me respect him from day one, Raga.
Yes,
Let me tell us on me. You see, from my radio,
yeah,
there is nothing you can do except for me disrespect you.
See it.
In a real life.
See it.
You understand me? I'm a real man there, I'm a real man in wife. So,
oh, that is so...
You free to say anything I want.
Oh, that is so sweet. You see, I'm telling you, you're bossing at the thing, man. You see, this is an impressive humility right here and thing. So you just say you respect the man so much that,
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Real. And you see, only God can tell me so.
Yeah.
Him not know if he describe himself. And you see, me did in a film position and you say, too cute. Describe yourself. Why you think you're beautiful or pretty as a Jamaican and that. Describe yourself.
Yeah.
But I just hear one talk and say, Raga, me look like Beyonce.
Sure.
And the argument done there.
Argument done right. That's a seal up.
I can tell you about straight nose, little high, small, round face.
Lord, the man saying face round and him handsome. What wrong with that? He general saying face round and black and handsome. And that the boss say. What wrong with that?
Mistake. Listeners, if you not switch for my foot, Raga, you ever hear them say when Puss Gun Rat take charge?
Yeah.
And my sister, me live with she in the America now. Me in the living room and she have one chair like where you sit down,
Yeah.
And her computer stand out. My right foot up on her computer stand and me just dress back in the chair. The chair with the wheel, them listeners.
The chair with the wheel, them, yeah.
Yes, man, when me can't move round in that.
Sure.
If you see me in the living room, you that think for me Billy out.
Nothing wrong with it. Palav in it. Are you gingeration one and she not here? So palav in it. Cock up foot pantet and whatever. And swing it here. Make it here swing left and swing it right. And I'll go in a circle in it. And when you do it, you can also say, wee!
me at the chair, so my grandson him come to take over. So I say, come out of my chair. Hear him, it's not your chair, grandma, it's the Auntie Bev's chair.
Oh, okay, put you in your place, make you understand yourself, yes? Oh, yeah. Yeah, him out light. I must see him take it from...
And me, him out light like me.
See it there. See it
Anywhere I go,
yeah.
me just want to bless up your listeners, them, and me there go and listen, you know?
Mad thing. Blessings,
so
man.
Just go and bless up yourself.
All right, love and blessings here.
Cool.
All right.
Yes, Raga. Cool.
Yeah, give me. Hello.
Yeah, Rag.
Greetings.
Rag.
Yeah.
I have a quick case for you.
Rinse.
Because we know your expertise. Big law firm in the city there, in the Kingston city there.
Yeah.
Kingston. Big law firm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a brother own the law firm. Own.
All right.
Not about no associate or with nobody else. Him own it.
Right.
I'm the only one out of the family get boss out of the 5 kids.
Right.
2 brothers get liquid.
Mm-hmm.
So my virgin left and two sisters.
See it.
Yeah, the thing kind of gets sticky, you know. The man go to Trinidad, get the law degree, come back, bossing firm, have the place locked.
Mm-hmm.
My virgin say him used to deal with him good. Used to say, yo, need some fish from down a town there, you know, come pick up a 30 pack or a 20 pack and bring me some fish in and where
yeah.
My dog good and he want a little car with the brother give him about a half, something more tight and him get a car and and yo, me confused, you know. I talked to my brethren last week.
Mm-hmm.
And he must say, yo, you know, say, my brother make a 360 for me and the 2 sisters. I said, what you mean? He must say, boy, I feel it's science. I said, no, what you mean? Elaborate. He must say, you know, say, me even go check him with you if you have bus here, but I want a bus here and I'm not give to me. And him brother look on him at the time and say, yo, you know, when I look a boy, you know, you so I'll thief up my food out of mama house and I go back into some far things, you know. You know, when there's a breakdown the man I have, but my brother tells him feel, say, a science because that girl where I work up there, way. But the man make a 360 turn that me said, no, him and his sister, them and everybody man cut off. The old man drop out and left on 1.5.
When very often when people say a 360, you know, a 360 degree movement bring you right back in the same position. So I think what you meant is a 180. It's like him just become opposite, right? Yeah, so he make a 180.
Yeah. Okay.
And things. So he's acting very strange now to his 2 sisters and him come with them and him virgin.
The father they left a 1.5 him.
Yeah.
And him tell the brother say, yo, you know, say, you make it run pound, no? Nothing around. One of the brother will get liquid of a son. We're going at the same last thing.
Yeah.
And graduate and call him and say, yo, uncle, you know, say, come get some practice. I want, you know, come in to get, you know. Wait. Nothing like that, you know. Man, no biggie man, nothing, man. Said, no, I'm not that, you know.
So the man said this sudden change in the way him conduct himself with people and thing, which is essentially opposite to the way him used to behave. Yeah, and so people I think are Obia.
Yo, my virgin convinced. I say, yo, can we never hear me in that there? My virgin never, can we live with him for...
So, I'm not, yeah, so he might think of Obia and think as one of the women who are working at the firm, Obia the man?
Yeah, well, boy, I say no, him know a girl who work up there. And a man see the girl that come out of one yard in a town and a yard there. It's a yard.
Our Obia yard.
Yes. And him come tell the Bridget now. So, my Bridget said before him find out all of that, him go check him brother give him $2,000. before all of this happened. When him going to give me $2,000 now, the girl beg him 5 bills out of it, and then give her the 5 bills. So him start, now him say him a backtrack and him a think, and him a say, boy, him feel say that car, the girl reach for him and blah, 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 blah. Me don't know if something the man I got you.
Well, I must be the man can go through some transition when him decide to make a change or something like so and deal with people different, you know, whether we agree with it or not. But I must be. I experienced some stress. Infirm me, I go through some challenges we don't know about and thing, and him can't necessarily tell me. In me, I experience some other stress and whatever where he's significantly distracted in a way what people are interpreting it that he's being mean and whatever, but perhaps it's just like, you know, just a distraction, like his mind and focus is elsewhere, you know, constantly. And so there are many possibilities for work, right? And I must be a hunting, you know?
Well, me I show him and I say, yo, you know, some feel say there's a breakdown in man have, but he must say,
possibly,
yeah, that can go on, but to deal with the sister them. And the man say, what row him the worst? He goes to boom and jump on a bus. And have the last bus fare go. And say, no, he never know, say, his brother always give him a thing when he go up there. The last bus fare, and when he go up there. And he talk to him, and the man give him the cold shoulder and say, hey, I'm not depend on that no more, and blah, blah, blah. And him said, the secretary say, yo, tell him some more that bus fare there. And him say, about 1 hour the man make him wait.
No, all right, we are going to let go. We have to go run some ad, you know. But what I'm saying, even that, right? I know of many situations when I involve me. I have been in many situations where me a gay, and the minute me stop gay, something wrong with me, and some mother grew on me, this and that, and Ray. Me have relative at Jamaica want to chat to me right now because I stop. Me did a gig, I'm a stop and whatever. And then burn me out every day. And it's been going on for a while now. Me don't know, him probably just reach a point where him just say, yeah, everybody this and that. Because when me I go through some nobody for turn. You know, I'm looking weird and whatever and things. So, I think I must. But, you know, but people do them something there. It's like you're generous all the time and everybody get comfortable with it. It becomes a status quo. And them know where you go through them, they say the sign, hold on, man. And then when you stop, they come up with all kind of explanations and all kind of definite, you know, sort of diagnoses about what is wrong with you, you know, because you basically made a shift in what was standard, you know. So I don't think it's necessarily anything to do with it. The man go through something and him just say, yeah, man, to hell with the whole of who me a carry or whatever. However I may want to put it a thing like that and thing. I know everybody I think say I get mad. But we have a break, you know, we hear? Yeah. But respect for that one they do here, sir.
Come on,
all right.
You want to know the law firm? You want to talk to me after you tell the law firm?
If you want to.
You want to tell the law firm after here?
Yeah, no, tell Prezi, I mean Prezi tell me. Prezi, I'm going to tell you the law firm here. Because I want to know the law firm. All right, tell Prezi law firm. Prezi make it tell you. I take a break, people. We'll soon forward.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes, new flow,
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Check. Watch out, I'm there on that door. People, let me tell you something, man. What the brethren they just describe, you know. Now, I say me know why, you know, but it just sound to me like one of them things that were, for whatever reason, it can be any random reason and thing, but it just sound to me like one of those scenarios where the person just reach a point where they're like, that's it, boom, you know, whatever go on in life or whatever, but that kind of cut off things. So somebody post say Missy down there in Atlanta, she post know a youth who usually carry his family. He met a woman and married her. The carrying cut off Now the family blame the wife. Them something there. Right? I know a similar situation to where Missy just explained, where the man are carrying family. And, right here in New York City. And did a carrying family. And him himself too, I live like a playboy life and, big expensive car and, party in Manhattan regularly and all these things and whatever. The man married. And the first picnic, them have a two picnic, twin. So him a one of them type of progressive people and whatever. So him start put together trust fund and college this and that for the picnic. Them man, him go get one nice house and the mortgage and whatever, and him a look down the line and him wife a bill and whatever. So a lot of time resources now, they just kind of focus on some, different family priorities. And so him have to kind of ease off with carrying him own family. And his thing was that the family kind of get relaxed too and, just a depend upon him. So when him, him a do him thing now and tell him, say him have to focus on them end up a hate the man wife. Them end up a hate the man wife. And when I tell you that woman was so nice, and as it happened, the family them are Jamaican, they don't know so the man's wife is Haitian. If you ever hear all the stereotypes them will come out and think because the woman are Haitian, nice woman, But all the things them when them start to say about the woman, them look at stereotypes about Haitian and with them involved in and all them something there, whatever about what she do to him head or whatever. Nah, do nothing to him head or nothing. You understand? Anyway, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Donna from Pembroke, me see you in my charge. Me see you in my charge. Big up yourself, Donna from Pembroke. Once I big up to Ben up and thing, outside of Joseland, and big up yourself, my brother, You don't know any rate, Because you're one of the realest out there, them for know. On a big up Ben up from down at Joseland. Big up Ben up from down at Joseland. Marry original head girl and thing. Arnett Gardens, Jungle Link and thing, make them know. Havana and thing, saying, them for know. Marry original head girl. Large up yourself, everything is everything. Give me a call at present, I could deal with the matter. One pop. Great.
Good night,
yes.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
What go have, General?
I am doing quite well, I am very happy and doing well.
Me never get up a couple weeks still, but we are say the something they say where you say they put up the thing there, the dating thing, me never get to talk, but me will talk from tonight, I don't know if me will get to Friday.
Okay. Well, Friday, yes. I have something to take care of, so it's going to be a repeat show on Friday, so I won't be on Friday because...
Well, yeah.
No, but we're not doing the dating thing tonight, though, yeah?
No, me just put up my own from today.
No, it's only on Fridays we do it, whether I'm here or not, yeah?
Okay,
all right.
But me see if that girl, we go through the star, me see...
We go through what?
The girl go to the star, me see the coach. She have to run left for her clothes.
Yes, and run left for her wig and all these things and whatever, and if you sleep on the bed and things.
If she listen to me still, tell her to be careful when she has date online. She has to be careful. It's not everybody who come on dating thing. Some of them are man and them she lucky she never lose her life.
Right, indeed. But you sound like you have some experience with this, man. You're saying she need to be careful.
Raga, me never go a woman yard yet in a Raga.
Oh, okay.
Never go a lady. You see, if you want them to come at me yard, Mr. Raga, meet me out a road where everybody can see you.
Okay.
Everybody can see you. Me not go in a community when a woman don't know no streets, because Raga, a serious thing. She on that bed. She lucky she never get a knife cut.
Right. But what would you say? What would your advice be to... I have a gentleman up here. His name is Junior Levy. And he went to this woman's house, in this borough. There's a borough up here called Queens, near to the Long Island border side and thing. So him go to woman's house and thing and whatever. And them do them thing, them do them look at something and then him go jump asleep there. and thing and whatever, and then the woman man come, and when the woman man come, she make up nice for him like him a stranger and whatever, you know. And I'll throw people out of chimney in him face. You know. What would your advice be to him? Yeah, man, she throw a piece pan him out her chimney and thing. Him name Junior Levy. Junior, just say Junior. What would your advice be to Junior Levy, you know?
Well, me advice to tell him, boy, better him done the relationship. You know?
No, he might not talk again, you know, but what would the advice? No, he might not. But what would the advice be to him? Because him go over there, him just go over there the first, and then go jump and sleep after him do the thing. Them and what would you? Yeah,
well, that's wrong idea. That him do. Never you go a woman better you go jump and sleep. You have to look out of your eye.
Ah, you have to look out of your eye. Well, you have to look out. Well, you have to look out of your eye. Is there something else you could have look out of?
Look anywhere. Look anywhere. Serious. Right now.
Yeah. No, but talk. No, he's listening right now, you know. But talk to him and tell him why he would have do different.
I remember this talk. You're supposed to hear me for Ragashanti. If you got any woman on, next time you look.
Well, no, your phone I broke up a little bit. I want him here. So position yourself, say. No, man, we don't know why your phone I break up. We not hear you good.
Yeah, let me not listen to you, man. Hear you.
But me I tell you, say we not hear your phone and break up.
Okay, not hearing me. Okay, yeah, hear me now.
Yeah, we hear better. So talk to Junior now about how he must conduct himself.
If you go out, you jump and sleep.
Yeah.
Acid take your acid. Because woman has serious thing that you will do. I don't want to acid in your ears.
Right, true acid in your ears. Okay.
Yeah, hot oil.
Hot oil, yeah.
If you listen to me now, nobody do that. It's better you better nobody go there. Better go there at daytime.
Right.
When everybody can see.
Yeah, man, he might listen to you now, and I think this is a great moment. I mean, you, Robert, you're talking to him from Kingston, Jamaica, and you're giving him some advice up here in New York about how he must conduct himself with women and thing. And you just gave him some sober advice right here that well-meaning, and it sounds to me, it makes sense, very rationally thought out, and I would sincerely hope that he's listening to you and incorporating the thing. Yeah, continue, talk to him some more.
So if you go a lady yard, you better go out there where everybody can see. I know go to a place where we have to jump cross fence. That boy that you broke loose.
Yeah, I make woman at two people in her face and them.
Two people, like a lady will say, he might run left him, we gonna have to nearly take him.
Yes.
But she lucky, she run left. Me glad so she run left her clothes and run to her life and make it close and they can. Boy, if I never catch him.
Right.
I look like I want brown woman, you know.
I want look like I want what?
She look like he's a brown lady.
You mean the lady who talk? You say she talk like a brown lady? Hold on. So, Robert, how brown ladies talk? Well, brown lady
talk in a manner way, you know. You can't know, so she's a decent lady, so she has to run car.
No, hold on. So, brown ladies are decent ladies?
No, really, but how she talk, you know. You can't know, so she's a the lady.
Right, okay. Know? So she's a brown. She talks, she sound like a brown lady, right?
Yeah, right. I sound like she can't fight, but boy, she have to run.
Right.
In her foot.
Right.
Put her hand
in her foot.
She have to run.
But Robert, I think when you say brown lady, it sounds to me like you're trying to say like she have a little uptown thing about her, don't it? That is your way. It's your way of saying it when you say brown. Okay. We see what you mean, auntie. Because you're not saying that brown ladies are not in the ghetto and our country, but you basically say she have a little uptown thing about her, right? Is that
Yeah. But me not got no woman here asleep, brother. Me not like them idea, you know.
Okay. So, Robert, if you attack to a nice, sexy woman right now and she want to give you some and say you have to go her yard, you not go her yard?
No.
It have a ton, okay.
If better me go somewhere and me go dream and say, boy, me meet her, but me not go there.
No, or basically carry her go a bush and make she hug a tree.
Me not know no, but me not go. Better she come after me yard.
No, she can't carry her go bush and make sure hug a tree. Just make sure the tree is not like a banana tree or a plantain tree, because them they will drop down to make sure hug like a firm tree and thing. I want to do anything. Or Robert, you can't carry her to hotel. I mean,
even that. Yeah.
And carry
Treat her and treat her. They might have a woman there, but they don't know good treatment. They
right. I carry her go Riverside, because you have some big rock down at Riverside too and whatever. Yeah. And then you have the water. You have the water right there, so after you wash up after and thing and whatever. You know, so you can carry her
that's
go
why
Riverside.
It's no time. Yeah, that's why when we come for the show, you that man experience. You know about woman, you're supposed to know that you go through hell with the man.
Oh, me? Well, you are telling me, say me go through hell with woman. Robert, what you know about me? Robert, what you know about me? Robert, what you know about me? What you know about me, Robert? About me go through hell with. What you know about me? What?
Listen me now. Listen now, sir. You what? I woman so.
What? What I tell you here one time? I say what? What?
You walk, even know if it's 4th Street or 2nd Street, but you walk just through woman, just through look. You know, woman, when you first day, you see a woman.
No, when I was much younger, and I'm about the 4th Street, when I was much younger, I think a woman broke up with me and my head take me and think me I walk up and down barefoot in a rain and think up on Waterloo Road and Trafalgar Road and Hope Road. Yeah. I'm a virgin. Yeah. So what you say? That is an example of me when we go through it with woman, no?
Right. Well, we respect everything we have to still.
All right, Robert, big up yourself here.
So big up yourself. If big up to you, I say the birthday was for the 21st of July.
All right.
You big me up, so I want to talk you. Mine, me have to throw water there, you know.
Yeah, mine is not too cute, okay. You know what, Robert get brinkled upon you. All right, Robert, big up yourself here.
All right, you take.
Yeah, man, respect. God, Robert, a sample. But people do remember, say tomorrow, you know, is all about a thing called Free Up. Right? And which part that I keep? Free Up are the realest Jamaican talk show. The realest Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti. And it's up on my YouTube channel. It's up on my YouTube. We have to say it like Firelinks. YouTube. No, I'm not Firelinks. So I say Ricky Trooper. YouTube. Ricky Trooper about YouTube at Jamaica, you know. Yeah, we remember that mix up the for a long time. Big up in general. Yeah, and I don't know, so the channel is Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And think that at tomorrow, 1 o'clock US Eastern time and that at 12 o'clock Jamaica time. So that midday phone, you know. Midday phone in Jamaica, right? Midday, right? Ragashanti TV channel. That's the channel name. Ragashanti TV. Just put that in over YouTube. I don't know, so tomorrow, 12 o'clock Jamaica time, 1 o'clock US Eastern time, which is about 10 o'clock California time, and thing and whatever. And I don't know the different time, them and thing. And if it's 1 o'clock US Eastern time, you know, say 6 o'clock London time. That's why Cara locking and them people are locking and thing. Big up on yourself. Enough niceness. We have things to talk about, especially the one Elon Musk. And what go on with that man? I be a mix up a follow him, you know. No, man, I am sitting for chat about him, man. You see? All right? So let's make sure someone lock in on that tomorrow. This Friday, Prezi, I go run and repeat and thing because I have some family obligations that I have to address and thing and whatever, and they have to be done on Friday and thing. And I big up my General Zion up here with me and thing and whatever. And I spend him look summertime with me and all these things. And you don't know me, I'm a little KJ, I'm a little GD and thing and whatever. So, yeah, some little things, some designated family thing. Where once me get the three of them together, you know, me have to put something together, because I don't know my thing, but, you know, based on your responsibilities and what you have to do, you know, you think the balance out where you can show up as much as you want, but you still have to acknowledge the importance of showing up and just making sure that you put in the time. Because I tell you, when you hear enough of them people out the road that chat about how them pick the turn against them, I know them are picking this and that and whatever, this and that. And when you really check it out, the parents, them never too wonderful with the picnic them either, Right? You have enough of them parents here who think it's all about money and them something there and whatever, and them never spend the time with the picnic them, but them provide everything. But them not in a relationship with the picnic them. Right? And them feel so because them focus on the money and them give you all of the money where the picnic them they want, that the picnic them have some obligation now to have some kind of emotional connection with them. But no, it never did it. If it never did it, never did it, No, granted, you have some picnic ungrateful for true and turn them back on the sacrifices where them parents make. And you have some parents, them they just in a position where them they just so caught up with making the money to pay the bills that them never, spend other time with them children, and it's not like they didn't want to. Them they just have to out there do it and whatever, and then it's incumbent on the children to realize that too and appreciate how hard their parents work for them and things, despite not being able to facilitate some strong bond based on time spent together and so forth and things like that. So it's a multi-layered issue and complicated and thing, but it is indeed the case that you have some parents out the chat one bag of sitting with them picnic and do for them and thing and whatever and them never did it for them picnic them. You understand? Or them remember couple little things where them do and them put the greatest value upon that. And just one like say that are the end all and the cure all and the picnic them forever obligated to them, and them not pay attention to the whole heap of other times when them never come through for the youth them and all them something there and thing and whatever. So all you can do is do your best, no? So as far as me concerned, I try to do my best and make sure so me show up and turn up. And with that regard, we have a plan to me and my little one and thing this weekend, so I will not be here this Friday and thing. But I'll definitely be doing free up tomorrow, Thursday, all right? My president will run and repeat this Friday, all right? Big up on yourself. Make sure so on the beard, one on the beard, rub back on the ears, between on the two of them and on the creases them and all these things, all right? If you have a weave and thing or whatever, make sure so it smell good and them look at something there and thing. And if you have problem, scrub your back properly. Try figure out a way to do it, because there's nothing more disconcerting. You hug somebody and I rub them back and dirt a rub off in your hand. It's not a good look, all right? So, just make sure so on the beard properly and all these things. Take care of yourself, people. So, tomorrow, pan free up. Carol, big up yourself, You don't know, so I love you and rate you, No. Soon pan free up tomorrow, see? Remember, if you're at Jamaica, 12 o'clock. What the channel name? Ragashanti TV. All right? On YouTube. Morris. People take care of themselves and thing, yeah? Man.